Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to see the unboxing and review of Creative SBS E2800 2.1 speaker. Without any further ado, Creative has recently launched this product few days before and it priced around 4,500 rupees MRP, and you can get it for around 3,500 to 3,300 in online shopping and in local markets. So do check that out. If you are going to buy this product, I will leave the link in the description, so please buy it from my link. It does help the channel. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So after unboxing, there are two satellite speakers in the left one and right hand side. So after getting rid of it, you will see the basic documents with remote and cables. So RCA to 3.5mm cable. So at bottom you will see the woofer. It is made up of wooden subwoofer, the cabinet for excellent bass reproduction. So the basic guides, warranty card and user guides. So the remote is small and looks good. We'll let you know further regarding the usage. So speaking of the speakers, the satellite speakers are not wall mounted, so you don't have any holes behind to hold it onto your nail or something. So you have to place it on the table, which turns out to be one of the biggest negative points of this speaker at this price bracket. And moving on to the subwoofer, as you can see, it is made up of wood and the build is really good. The woofer is at the bottom and it's stays a bit high on the ground, so that will give you some really nice bass effect. We will play some sample music from USB thumb drive, and I'll request you to please reduce the volume to hear the sample musics. The built-in buttons are quite sturdy and performs really good. The volume levels are saved in the memory, and while turning it on, it will reassigning the same volume levels. The remote control is small and sleek but easy to use, and it can be used from long distance also. As you can see, I'm just muting it and I'm unmuting it. It supports USB thumb drive and SD cards at the maximum capacity of 32 GB, and it can also support the preset equalizer settings only for USB thumb drive and SD cards, and it has a built-in FM radio receiver where you can able to save the stations in memory. The speaker power, sir, it has a 13 watts RMS per channel for each satellite speakers and 24 watt RMS for subwoofer, the total of 50 watts, and in response it can support up to 45 Hz to 20 kHz. It has a maximum audio capacity of 30 points. I've been using this speaker for more than 30 days, so it's time to see the pros and cons for this speaker. So speaking of the pros, it has a good sound effect and it has a warm eye and clear mids, and even the thumbs of the bass are really good. This speaker is definitely louder and clearer than most other brands, and you won't see any other trouble noise that you see in most of the other brands in this price bracket. It has a cute little LED display that is very good, and it shows most of the details that you want to know in this speaker. It looks more premium and the design is great. As you can see, the blue line that is drawn in center of the speakers looks like an LED light, but it's not an LED light, but it just feels like it's just glowing in night times and in lighting conditions. Moving on to the cons, it has no Bluetooth connectivity, and when it's playing something from your TV and if you try to insert a thumb drive or a SD card, it automatically switches back to the SD card or pen drive and it plays the MP3 file that you stored in that particular pen drive or SD card. So that's a big disadvantage. There is no RCA input through and only one 3.5mm stereo input is there. So the connectivity perspective, this doesn't have so much of connectivity options, and it has only one input source through which you can connect for 3.5mm pin. And if you want to connect with your TV or laptop, you have to buy separately for 3.5mm and 3.5mm straight cable from a local market. If you are that sort of person who loves more bass and treble, then I don't recommend this product, because this product doesn't have any control over bass or treble. Do know that? Another 300 to 500 rupees lesser would have made this product a steal of the deal, but still I won't regret in buying this product. So I will recommend this product as a good buy. So if you have any questions in this speaker, or if you want me to do any other comparison or review about regarding any other speakers or any other smartphones, do hit me out in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Do join me in Facebook and Twitter and get in touch with me. A big giveaway is on the way. Hope to see you in my next video. This is Them signing off.